Hello and welcome once again. Today is another day to make it in the market. It's a really good day. Once again, I'm back with another gold strategy. These days I just want to focus on gold and help us make sure that we are really making it big here. So as usual, yesterday I gave you the settings, but maybe some people didn't get to see that video. So right now I'm going to start off with what we are using here. So we are using this amazing sessions indicator. So we're just going to go to indicators first, and on indicators you just have to search for sessions, and that the first one, sessions lags algo. Use that one. So just click it once and you are good to go. And the next thing you're going to be doing there is that you're going to be making the settings, because we don't want everything there. So under inputs we have to uncheck New York, uncheck Sydney, make sure that London and Tokyo are both there marked, and then you have to uncheck all these boxes down here and make sure that these colors are visible. So these colors should be visible on your chart. So if you're using a black screen, make sure you're going to use a brighter color for both the Tokyo and the London session. So let's just get right to it. So we are going to click OK after we are done. So now what I want us to notice today, yesterday we were talking about a totally different thing. So today I want us to look at something different. So you're just going to notice that, okay, currently we are on the London session. So the London session is ongoing. Currently there is something I want you to notice. Do you see that whenever price has been out of both timelines or out of both sessions, for instance in this area over here, so you can see that it's almost like price was just ranging in these areas, right? So it's almost like price was just around this square over here, like that. But whenever price gets to the Tokyo session, you're going to notice that this is the Tokyo session, right? So you're going to notice that it's quite different. So let me just use a different arrow so that you can see to illustrate well. So whenever price gets to the Tokyo session, usually you can see the upward movement of price. So price most of the time it's just going to be going up like that most of the time when it gets to the Tokyo session. So let's say the Tokyo session is starting, you just can definitely buy on most of the times. Now let's just back test it and see. So let's just go back a few sessions back. So this is the other session before the one we're on right now. So you're going to notice that this is outside both sessions, right? And it's almost like price was just ranging where price was ranging along this place. Let me just mark it like this. So price was ranging like that. Now let's see what happens when price started on the Tokyo session. You see, this is where the Tokyo session started, right? In as much as it started by going down here, but if you notice what happened after, price definitely began to go up. So most of the time on the Tokyo session, price really goes up. Let's just continue. I'm just giving you this free tip because you can just back test it on your own and see if it won't work for you. So now let's see what we have here. You can see this was the area just outside both sessions. Okay, let's see. So price was ranging where I'm just marking the highest and the lowest points. So price was ranging around here. Now Tokyo session started. So our Tokyo session just started where over here. That's good. And watch this. Tokyo session took the price going up. Is it a lie? Is it a lie? So if you still don't believe this one, I'm just going to get into another session again, just the next one. I'm just giving you this example so that you can see what we are really talking about. So we've got this session which is just outside both sessions again. So I'm just going to mark it like this. So this is outside, and Tokyo session starts where? Tokyo session starts at this point. Now let's see what happens when Tokyo session begins. When Tokyo session begins, look at our price. So even if price can begin by maybe going down, as you can see here, but it will definitely skyrocket. It will definitely skyrocket. You see, I've given you so many examples already, but look at how things are going. So guys, Feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos about this, and I want you to make sure that you make it on this goal strategy. Otherwise, you can back test it yourself and see if it's not going to work for you. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Definitely you have to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Take care.